In this video, we're going to consider an example that involves an application of the law of cosines. As a quick reminder in words, the law of cosines says that the square of one side of a triangle equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides minus twice their product times cosine of their included angle. Now let's consider an example of finding a viewing angle. Now suppose that a large painting in an art gallery has a height of 7 feet and is hung so that its lower edge is a distance 3 feet above the eye of the observer. If the observer is 4 feet from the wall, what is the viewing angle? Now in the given image, there is a side profile of a person's face looking at a wall where the piece of art is hanging. We have 3 dotted lines extending from the person's eye. One line is horizontal that connects to the wall, which has a length of 4 feet and is perpendicular to the wall. The next line we denote length of A, connects from the observer's eye to the bottom of the painting. And the third line has a length of B that connects to the top of the painting. Now, between the lines of length A and B, we label angle theta that is the viewing angle which we're being asked to calculate. Additionally, the painting is denoted as having a height of 7 feet, and there's a dotted line of length 3 feet extending straight down from the bottom of the painting, which connects to the horizontal line from the person's eye. In order to find the viewing angle theta, we're going to use the triangle created by sides of length A and B, as well as the side of length 7 that's opposite angle theta. We first need to find the lengths of sides A and B, and from there we're going to have an SSS triangle with which we can then find theta. So to find the length of side A, we're going to use the right triangle with horizontal leg of 4 feet, vertical leg of 3 feet, and hypotenuse of length A. So using Pythagorean theorem, we can write A squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. And solving for A, we would get A equals square root of 25, which is 5. And to find the side of length B, we're going to use the right triangle with horizontal leg of 4 feet, vertical leg of 3 feet plus 7 feet, or 10 feet, and the hypotenuse of length B. Again, using Pythagorean theorem, we can write B squared equals 4 squared plus 10 squared, and solving for B, we would have B equals square root of 116. Now that we know the 3 sides of the triangle with angle theta, we can then use the law of cosines to find angle theta. So the 3 sides are A equals 5, B equals square root of 116, and C equals 7. That is opposite of angle theta. Now the law of cosines says that C squared is equal to side A squared plus side B squared minus 2 times side A
Solving
times
for
side
the cosine
B
term,
times
we
cosine
get
of theta. Cosine of theta is equal to the quantity A squared plus B squared minus C squared, all divided by 2AB. Now, solving for theta and substituting the values that we now have, we get theta is equal to inverse cosine of the quantity 25 plus 116 minus 49, all divided by the quantity 2 times 5 times square root of 116. Using our calculator, we find that the viewing angle of theta is approximately equal to 31.3 degrees.